The Lion Goes to War. Once upon a time, there lived an old lion called King Gerald. He was a wise ruler. He ruled his kingdom with the help of his 3 ministers: the elephant, the fox, and the eagle. One morning, as the eagle flew around the jungle, he heard 2 parrots talking. One said,
"When should we attack the King Gerald's kingdom?"
The other replied,
"Tomorrow, at sunrise."
The eagle rushed back to the king and told him about what he had heard and what he had seen. The king replied,
"Do not worry. We will all try and save our kingdom."
The king immediately called for a meeting. The monkeys beat the drums and shouted aloud,
"Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! The king wishes to see all of us."
Once the animals had gathered, the king's ministers started dividing the duties between the animals.
"You are strong,
They said to the rhinos.
so you will fight in the battlefield.
You are alert and run very quickly too, they said to the cheetahs.
You are swift and fast,
They said to the horses and the zebras.
and you can also carry load, so you will bring weapons to the battlefield.
To the monkeys they said,
You can keep guard from the treetops and warn us if you see any enemies.
and to the birds they said.
You will carry important messages to everyone.
The donkey and the rabbit saw the other animals of the jungle prepare for the battle. They also wanted to help, so they rushed to the king and his ministers. But the ministers made fun of them. They told the donkey,
You are silly.
and told the rabbit.
You get frightened so easily.
King Gerald heard this and stopped both the donkey and the rabbit.
Wait. Wait. There is very important work for you two as well.
He told the donkey,
You have a loud voice, so you can call the troops together.
and told the rabbit.
You are tiny and quick, so you can pass on my orders to everyone in a matter of minutes.
The ministers realized their mistake and praised the king for his wise decision. The donkey and the rabbit, too, bowed down in respect. The entire kingdom then, under the leadership of King Gerald, came together to fight against their enemy. Moral of the story? Everyone is special in his or her own way, so respect everyone around you. Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com.
For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.